Do you love watching movies? Let's learn how to talk about going to the cinema in simple English.
Hi, I am Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we talk about going to the cinema. It is a wonderful place. I love the cinema. It is a big place. Many people go there. We watch movies together. It is a special experience. I want to share my day with you. It is a special cinema day. It is 9:00 a.m. The sun is shining. It is a good day. I feel happy today. I am excited. Why am I excited? Because I go to the cinema. I will watch a movie. I will learn new words with you. This is a journey. Every step is important. Learning English is like a journey. We take small steps. Each step makes us stronger. You are doing great. Keep learning. Now, it is 10:30 a.m. I am ready to go. I leave my home. I walk to the cinema. The cinema is not far. I like to walk. Walking is good. It gives me time to think. I think about the movie. What movie will I watch? I like many movies. I like action movies. I like comedy movies. Today, I think I will watch a drama. A drama tells a good story. Here I am. It is 11:00 a.m. I am at the cinema. The cinema is a big building. It has a big sign. The sign says cinema. I go inside. Inside is warm. Many people are here. They are also excited. They want to watch movies. My first step is very important. I need a ticket. You need a ticket to enter. I go to the counter. This is where you buy tickets. There is a person at the counter. This person sells tickets. I stand in line. I wait for my turn. Waiting is okay. I am patient. Learning needs patience. You learn step by step. Now it is my turn. I say, hello. The person asks, which movie? I say, the new drama movie, please. The person tells me the price. I say, okay. I open my wallet. I take out money. I give the money to the person. The person gives me a ticket. This is my ticket. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket for the movie. This ticket is important. It lets me go inside. It is a small paper, but it means I can watch the movie. I have my ticket now. This is a good feeling. I bought a ticket. This is step 1. Remember, I buy a ticket. It is 11:15 a.m. I have my ticket. What is next? I need to find my seat. I go into the cinema room. The room is big and dark. There are many seats. The seats are in rows. One row, then another row. I look at my ticket. My ticket has a seat number. For example, row F, seat 7. I look for row F. I walk along the rows. I find row F. Then I count to seat 7. This is my seat. I choose a seat. I choose a seat in the middle. I like to sit in the middle. From the middle, I can see the screen well. I sit down. My seat is soft. I feel comfortable. I choose a seat. This is step 2. Remember, I choose a seat. It is 11:25 a.m. Now I am in my seat. Other people are also in their seats. The lights are still on, but they are getting dim. Soon the movie will start. I feel the excitement. This is the moment. The big screen is in front of me. It is very big, much bigger than my TV at home. I wait a few more moments, and now it is 11:30 a.m. The lights are very dark. The movie starts. The sound is good. The picture is clear. I watch the movie. I watch the movie on the big screen. I see the characters. I hear their voices. The story begins. It is an interesting story. I pay attention. I follow the story. I watch the movie. This is why I came here. I watch the movie. This is step 3. Remember, I watch the movie. While I watch the movie, I feel something. A little hungry. What do I want? Popcorn. Popcorn is a classic cinema snack. I bought popcorn before I came to my seat. It is in my bag. I open my bag.
I take out the popcorn.
The popcorn smells good. It is warm and salty.
I take a piece.
I eat popcorn. It is crunchy. It is delicious. I eat popcorn during the movie. Many people eat popcorn. It is part of the cinema experience. I eat popcorn. This is step 4. Remember, I eat popcorn. The movie continues. The story is good. It makes me feel emotions. Sometimes I feel happy. Sometimes I feel a little sad for the characters. Sometimes I feel excited. The story is interesting. I understand the story. I enjoy the story. The actors are good. The music is good. Everything is good. I am happy to be here. I enjoy the story. I feel connected to the movie. This is a great feeling. I enjoy the story. This is step 5. Remember, I enjoy the story. The movie is now finished. It is 1:1:30 p.m. The credits roll. The lights come up slowly. People start to leave. I feel good. I saw a good movie. I had a good time. It was a wonderful experience. Let's review our steps today. First, I buy a ticket. This lets me enter the cinema. Second, I choose a seat. I find a good place to sit. Third, I watch the movie. I see the story on the big screen. Fourth, I eat popcorn. This is a yummy snack. Fifth, I enjoy the story. I feel the emotions of the movie. Learning English is like this cinema trip. You start with a goal. You take small steps. Each step is important. You learn new words. You learn new sentences. Sometimes it feels hard, but you keep going. You are strong. You are learning. You are growing. You are on a journey. And every journey has amazing stories. Your story of learning English is amazing. Keep going. Keep learning. Do not give up. You can do it. I believe in you. White Eagle believes in you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. What's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to White Eagle for more content.